Let's see how much water this bathroom vanity Xtreme mat holds. First time putting it in too. Not bad, and it fits like a glove. Check this out. I mean, that's really tight. This is 19.5 across by 40.5. You can see there's just a little gap on the sides. This is fantastic. Sharing the size with you is important because these Xtreme mats come in various sizes, and the capacity is anywhere from 1.3 gallons to 3.6 gallons. This is a mid-sized mat. I haven't seen anywhere on the website or in the paperwork that they sent as to how much exactly this mat holds. So the test is twofold: to see how much water this mat holds, as well as see how it performs. This is very important. If you order from the Xtreme Mats website, you can get one of these water sensors free. It goes right there on the flat part of the mat in the back. Let's try it out. Let's get it to the sensor. Oh no. I don't think there's an on-off switch. No. But you can see what happened. It's totally dry because the water still has to make its way. Oh dear. That was really disappointing. All right. Now I have a few thoughts on this, but I will share in a follow-on video. Let's retest that part again. Ooh. That's loud. Okay, once it makes it in, and you can see these two contacts right here are what are detecting the water. Okay. I'm not putting that in the rest of the video. That's loud though. You will hear that when you come in the front door. If you're not home, you will hear that. Very nice. All right, we are 1 gallon in. And I can already tell water is pooling on this side over in this corner. You will find out how level your cabinets are based on this kind of a test. But yeah, we're not going to hit capacity just because this cabinet isn't level. What I want you to see here is that's really high already. You can just tell from the viscosity of the water. It's going to be really close to 2 gallons if it hits 2 gallons, if I'm brave enough to do that. Oh dear. That's really high. It's above the line of the mat. You can see right there, yep, how high the water level is. Oh dear. Yeah. All right. So I'm calling it at just below 2 gallons. I want to be very clear that I am not knocking this sensor. This is a absolutely huge difference between Xtreme Mats and the competition is that they even offer this. This is an amazing deal, especially the fact that you get one for free the first time you order a mat. Now you do have to add it on to your order, but this is nothing that is offered by anyone else on the market. If you do not have a water monitor ecosystem that is already supporting these, this is definitely a huge upgrade that I would encourage you to go to the website, order there, because that is the only way that you get one of these for free. Let's think about the reaction a little bit too. How often are you going to just have water gushing underneath
your sink. And that could be the case that it happens, but more often than not, I think that it's going to be a smaller leak that's going to take time. So what's a few more seconds? It's not like you're going to get close to 2 gallons in there before this goes off. It's going to go off and it's going to be loud. Now, can you stop the water from running if you're away from home? No. And that's something that I am going to share with you in a follow-on video when it comes to these kind of systems between the mats, the sensors, that kind of thing. Absolutely give props to Xtreme Mats for offering this, though. This is huge.
If you would like to see the cleanup video, check out this one right here next week. Otherwise, check out this video on how to choose the best mat for your needs, because this is really getting interesting now that we have a couple to compare against. Thanks for watching.